how to modify your computer's heat dispensing efficiency. As you can see, I have a couple of heat sinks. There are different types, so whatever place you want to modify, I would recommend checking it first. First rule of doing this, unplug your computer's power supply and your computer's connection to the monitor. It's this. Goes to right there. Turn the light on. That goes to right there. And this goes to right here. Unplug those two things. Those two things will have power running through them. You don't want yourself to get shocked. I'd say wait a couple of minutes because there are capacitors in here, very high voltage ones. If you hear a kind of like a buzzing, not a buzzing, but a like constant down, know that is a capacitor discharge. If you hear it go like almost like going up on a scale, you will know that that's capacitor upcharge. Alright, rule thing first is that there will be two screws back there and there. You're gonna want to pop that off. You can pop the back off depending on what your computer is, but the main problem is sometimes it goes into here and you have to pop that off. Don't break it, whatever you do. Alright, so right now I am going to modify, or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a couple things. That's the GPU. I'm gonna put a second heatsink on that, like that. I'm gonna get a couple things of tape. I'd recommend using duct tape because duct tape is half conductor, half insulator of heat. It is easier for it. It's easier for the heat to travel. Use tiny pieces, so not too big, not too small, and tape it on like this. And then put it on like that. As you can see, these two heat sinks are the same, fairly much the same. I'd put it on the opposite way. And then the other thing you might want to do is place duct tape on almost the entire heat sink. Either duct tape or some type of tape. For some of them, if they're going to be touching something. Because you do not want your computer to short circuit. So, what I'm recommending you do is taking it and making it so it goes like this. So that way you can see that much, but that side, this side, that side, that side. There's like all of them except for one corner is taped. Now, right now I'm sliding it through the RAM. Or next to the RAM. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed. Like that. Right there. Now I'm going to do that a couple more times. In a couple of different places. The other place you might want to do it is replace a or make one more heat sink, or use one more heat sink, not make. Is where the CPU is, which is this, where the biggest heat sink and the biggest fan goes. The other thing you can do is add a couple of fans. This is the hard drive. You might want to do it there. Just add one like that. And yeah, that's all you need to do. And no,